What's up, Flow family? Welcome back to another video with your local Flow Prodigy. If it is your first time on this channel, I'm Brendan Perez, and don't forget to hit that red subscribe button to see more videos like this one. In this video, we're going to be going over how to do an unassisted prone 360. Let's get into it. Now, if you don't know what a unassisted prone 360 is, that is when you are carving from one side of the wave to the other, flicking your board out to the side, and then thrusting your body up to the nose and spinning 360 degrees. Now, before getting into the unassisted prone 360, you must first learn how to do the assisted prone 360, thrusting your body towards the nose of the board, both feet out of the water, and using one hand digged up in the water to start your rotation, spinning 360 degrees, and when you are ready, you can then put both feet back into the water and smoothly ride away. Next important part is going to be just getting your body comfortable with carving back and forth across the wave, so then you are then able to fully identify what hand position would be most comfortable for you. Now, when it comes to hand placement on the board, what might work for me might not work for you. There are different hand placements that are useful to everybody. You can have one hand at the top of the board, one hand at the bottom. You can have both hands at the bottom of the board. I know that my personal hand placement on the board is just having both hands at the top of the board by the nose. Now, like I said before, my personal hand placement is having both hands at the nose of the board. So as stated previously, I'm going to come and I'm going to ride across the wave. Right when I'm ready to start spinning, I'm then going to flick the board out to the side and thrust my entire body up the board as I start my rotation. I'm then going to keep both feet completely lifted up as so and spin the entire way of the 360 degree rotation. And when I'm ready, I'm just going to lay my feet back into the water to stop my rotation. So now, following all the steps that we just learned, we are now going to carve our way across the wave. And when you're ready, you're going to flick your board out to the side, thrusting your body up the board to the nose, both feet out the water, shifting your weight. And when you are ready, place both feet back into the water to stop your rotation so that you can fully ride away. Now, whether you're learning how to do these tricks for competition purposes or even just for fun, the biggest piece of advice that I have is once you learn prone 360s on one side of the wave, you want to learn them on the other side of the wave as well. Alright guys, that's going to be it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, definitely leave a thumbs up down below. And if you haven't already, show some love and hit that red subscribe button. And if you look right next to the red subscribe button, you will see a bell-shaped icon. That is the notification bell. Click on that notification bell and you will be notified every time I upload. And I will see you on the next one.